going to go ahead and use the combination technique in example 1. The key here is to try to pick the easiest variable. So if you look at all 9 of these variables here, 3 on each of the equations, which one looks like the easiest to work with? Yeah, it's y in the top, middle, or bottom? Top, yeah, because it has a -1 in front of it, okay? That's the easiest one. So what we're going to do is, I like to star it, because you got to keep track of which one you're focused in on. So you're focused in on the top one, put a star on it. What you're going to do is you're going to combine the starred one with the other 2 equations separately. So combine the starred one with the second equation, and here it is. And we can go ahead and use the combination technique. What do you want to eliminate, x, y, or z? Oh, we already decided we're going to eliminate which variable. Yeah, the easiest variable to eliminate is y. So we're not going to change our mind on that. So the LCM of y is 4. So you only have to multiply the top by what? 4. You got it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, you get 14x plus 19z equals -23. And you're going to do the same thing with these 2 equations. Remember, we starred the top one. So the top one, the starred one, is going to get combined with the other 2 separately. So let's go ahead and do the starred one with the third equation. The LCM here is 2. So we're going to multiply the starred one by, we want opposite signs. Yeah, let's do it, -2. All right, combine those and your y's disappear, are eliminated as desired. When we combined the starred one with the second one and the starred one with the third one, we ended up with 2 equations with 2 unknowns, 2 variables. So what we're going to do now is, this is algebra 1, we're going to solve for either x or z. Let's get the LCM of the x. What's the LCM of x? This is 2 times 7 and this is 2 cubed. So our LCM is 2 cubed times 7, which is 56, you got it. And the z is, well, it's 19 times 7, 133. Besides the x LCM being smaller, what's another advantage to getting rid of the x? They have what? What about the signs? Yeah, they're opposites. Okay, so we don't have to multiply through by a negative. When we multiply through by a negative, we have to multiply 3 times, 3 terms by negative, and we tend to make mistakes when we multiply through by negative. We definitely want to get rid of the x's. So what do you need to multiply 14 by to get 56? Oh, let's do 4, okay. And then the -8 by, you got it, it's 7. Let's do the bottom one. -56x minus 49z is equal to 49, 119. X's drop out. 27z equals 27. So z equals 1. You can put that in as one of the ordered triplet components. And once you get a concrete number, you can put that z wherever you want. Silly question. You want to put it in one of the original ones? No, absolutely not. You have 3 variables. If you only have z, you can't put it there, so you're going to put it in one of the revised ones, one of those 2. So your choice, top or bottom? Guess that's what I chose also. So we're going to put that z in the bottom equation, and you get -8x minus 7 equals 17. Add 7 to both sides. All right, so you get -3. So we got -3, y, and z is 1. So now that you have 2 of the variables, x and z, you can substitute that in any of the original equations. I chose the starred one, the top one. So you can put -3 in for x, and y you don't know, and z is 1. So you've got -6 minus y plus 6 equals -4. 6's cancel, divide by -1. Y equals 4. And now you've got your answer. -3, 4, 1. Make sure it's in the right order. Substitute in, make sure it works. So y is 4. We said it's -3, 4, 1. We're going to substitute in the x, y, and z we think works. -3, 4, and 1. -2 minus 5 is -7 equals -7. That one works. And we're happy. So our solution is -3, 4, and 1. Notice it's in ordered triplet format. We have 3 components, x, y, and z. The thing that'll make your job easier is pick the easiest variable and eliminate. So you're probably looking for a variable that has a 1 or a -1 in front of it. And remember, it's an ordered triplet. Ordered triplet has 3 components to it.